Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content. Today is the Brewed Beauties collab, hosted by Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. Also in the collab is Char from Char's Fashion Nation, Johna from My Nails and More by Johna, Pauline from Pandora Muse 57, Nail 78, and Erica Sue Nail Art. Erica Sue Nail Art. I believe that's her channel. They're all listed down below. Please go over and watch their videos as well, and like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, and it's fun, and it helps out everybody's channels. So today is Char's birthday. It's her actual birthday, I believe. And today is her birthday look, and she picked the color. Her colors are black, dark purple, gray, and orange, and burgundy. So we are going to attempt to make a look out of those colors. I have a variety of palettes down here. I have the Gothic Beach, the Psychedelic Circus, Lilac You a Lot by Colourpop, Orange You Glad by Colourpop, and Cremated palette. So we're going to attempt a birthday look for Char. I already put my foundation on. Just trying to let my hair dry a little bit more before I put it back. But I'm going to do a gray headband just to put my hair back so we can get this look done. Alright, so excuse the mark. I was putting the turkey in, and when I shoved it, a little bit of grease splashed up and burnt my face, and it hurt. It really hurt. Alright, so these are interesting colors like burgundy, purple, orange, gray, and black. I might just go with black eyeliner for the black part. Excuse my crazy hair. It's not all the way dry yet. And it's crazy curly and whatever. So, I think I'm going to start with Orange You Glad. And, start with the orange, I guess. Hold on, let me grab something. Okay, sorry about that. Ooh, it was a second for you, about 2 minutes for me. I did find my Gerard Cosmetics, the eyelid primer, and I set that down. So now I'm going to start with Aren't You Glad? So I think I'm going to go layer this in a little differently than normal and find a brush. Okay. I'm going to go in with Zested all over, just at the top, to give myself something to blend into. It's very light. It's almost my skin tone. But I just want to have something to blend into. Alright. Just really not sure how I want to go about doing this. Alright, so I'm going to go in with orange. I think I'm going to go into Rise in the Grind in this palette. I'm going to do one eye, and then I'll go off and then do the other eye. So let me just move everything. try and sit normal here, because I want you to be able to see. So I'm just taking that up a little bit higher than normal. I'm going to take my fluffy brush. Okay, now I'm going to go into Lilac You a lot. Maybe. Let me see. Depends how dark the purple is. Let me look in Psychedelic Circus. That's a nice dark purple. I'm not sure. Alright, so I might not be able to get all the colors in. We'll see. So I think I'm going to go into the purple next. And I'm using the Transcendence out of the Psychedelic Circus. Look, I have an idea now. Here's the purple. Ooh, we do have a sparkly gray. Alright, I have an idea. I'm going to try to make this work. It's definitely different. I'm not used to putting orange and purple together. It's kind of looks like a sunset. Alright, now I'm going to go into Gothic Beach, because there is a burgundy in there. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in the inner corner with the burgundy. And maybe a little bit there. I don't know if I like that or not. Alright, that's what we're going with. Alright, so we got the purple, the orange, the burgundy. And we could go with this Macrame Manners, which is a silvery. It is gray. Okay. With like a purple undertone. Alright. Let's try that. Flat brush. I don't know if it'll go on with a brush or not. We'll see. Going in with my finger. Well, that's definitely gray. All right, so that's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna tap that burgundy again. And I'm basically going to darken all the colors that I've already put in. So let me go into Transcendence and Psychedelic Circus. Okay. And we'll go back into Orange You Glad by ColourPop to Rise and Grind. Okay, so I got all the colors in there. I'm surprised it doesn't look that bad. I was a little nervous about this look. I think I'm going to go into that burgundy color and bring that under the eye. It looks cute. Okay. I can dig it. Alright, I don't know what kind of eyeliner I want to use. Let's see. Didn't say nothing about lavender. I don't think I have any silver or gray eyeliner. Purple. So I didn't use any black, so I guess I'll look for a black eyeliner here. I'm going to use black. Alright, so I'm going to finish this eye, do this eye, and then I will be back. Okay, I am back. So, I finished the other eye. I put black eyeliner on to represent the black. I went under the eye with the burgundy. And I used the new Shiny Trap, which is his new formula in the color Scorpio, which is like a purplish gray. It's a really odd color, not something I would normally wear, but I can save for this Shiny Trap. It's very comfortable. It's kind of weird. It's drying down, but yet it's still glossy. It's weird. Okay, so I got the orange, I got the dark purple, I got the burgundy in the inner corner and underneath, and the silver in the center. So, happy birthday, Char. Here's your birthday look for me. I hope you like it, and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, a wonderful birthday. And if you're allowed to have cake, lots of ice cream, lots of goodies, lots of presents. So, with that being said, once again, happy birthday, Char. Please go and watch the other girls, especially go watch Char from Char's Fashion Nation, because I think she's probably going to use the Gothic Beach palette all the way, because all those colors are in there. So that'll be a nice look, and I hope you like this look. Very out of my comfort zone colors I would have not normally put together, but hey, it came out pretty nice looking. So, with that being said, you have a great day. Please go watch the other girls. All their names and addresses, or YouTube address, will be down below. Have a great day. And once again, happy birthday, Char. Bye-bye.